In the previous video, we built a brand new CICSPlex SM environment. Now that this is in place, we can start to build it up. We will do this by finding an unmanaged CICS region and making it managed within that new environment. The unmanaged CICS region must have a start policy associated with it. Within the specify start policy, we can specify either a batch job dataset name or a started task start command. Once specified, it needs to be saved back to the CICSDA server. The CICSPlex that the unmanaged region will be placed into needs to have a system group. We can discover what system groups are within a CICSPlex by opening up the relevant CICSPlex editor. This editor enables you to view, create, edit and remove CICS system groups. Now that we have added the new CICS system group into the CICSPlex, we can navigate back to the unmanaged CICS region editor and select the Add to CICSPlex button. This will launch the wizard that will enable us to add the region into the CICSPlex SM environment. The Add CICS region to CICSPlex wizard enables some details of the managed region to be altered, as well as which CICSPlex to add the region into. After selecting the CICSPlex, options for choosing system groups and owning CMAS will appear. A checkbox is available to create a new member or update the original JCL. Clicking Finish will add the unmanaged region into the CICSPlex. CICSDA will alter the CICSPlex SM environment configuration so that it now manages this region. After CICSDA has added the region into the CICSPlex, a report is generated in the console. This report outlines what has happened and potentially what still needs to be completed. To be managed, the region must now be stopped and restarted. A default stop policy is available for every region. If that is not suitable, it can be changed by clicking on Update Stop Policy. When an appropriate stop policy is in place, click on Stop to stop the region. A message will appear in the console when CICSDA has determined that a stop request has been issued. The region may not have stopped. Refreshing the editor or closing and reopening it will perform a check to see if it is still running. After reopening the editor, we can see that the region has been stopped. To start the region and complete the Add to CICSPlex process, ensure that the start policy is appropriate, then click Start. After confirming how the region will be started, a Start has been issued message will appear in the console. Refreshing the editor will show that the region has now been started. If we move back to the connections visualization, we can see that the CICSPlex topology diagram has been updated with the newly managed region.